Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to learn the basic syntax in C programming. Uh, we will focus on comments, variables, data types, and constants. Okay. So I hope you can see my screen. So first of all, I'll discuss the comments in C. So what is comment? Comment are notes you can write in your code to explain what you're doing. Okay. So it's just for you guys when you code or when your colleagues code. We need to just remind ourselves sometimes what we are doing, because if our code base is so big and sometimes we forget what we did here. Okay, so what was our purpose to write this code? So we make a note that we are doing this for that, and so that we can remind ourselves. Okay, so there are two types of comments in C. Single line comments use two forward slash to write a comment on one line. Okay, so two forward slash is one line comment. Okay, so you can see this is a single line comment. Okay, this is a single line comment, and these comments won't be shown as output. Okay, and then multi-line comments starts with the forward slash and then a star and then a star and then a forward slash as well. So these is used to write multi-line comments. Okay, so you can see this is a multi-line comment. If you print the hello world, we will get the output hello world, but not this multi-line comment line. Okay, a comment help make your code clearer for others. Okay, and for yourself when you look back at it later. Okay, variables and data types. So what are variables? Variables are container for storing data. Okay, so variables are like a container. Okay, so you can say box or maybe a bottle, whatever you say. Okay, so in algebra, if you say like 20 plus 30 equals 50. Okay, so we directly make sum of them. 20 plus 30 equals 50. But in programming, we need to put 20 on somewhere else. Okay, so we put 20 in a box. If you name this box as A, so you have to write int a equals 20. Okay, so that means you're putting 20 in an integer variable, right? So another variable b, int b equals 30, then you can you can make sum of them, or you can make another variable for result named result, and int result equals a plus b, then you can print result, or you can print a plus b directly. Okay, so you can write printf bracket if you can give the format specifier percentage d and a plus b, or you can if you take result variable, then you can print that too. Okay, so in the bracket printf, after printf in the bracket you should write percentage d then result. Okay, so we will see these things, guys. Okay, so common data types: integer. Okay, so where were we? Variable. Okay, so you see here int age is the variable, and 20 is its value, right? So 20 is kept, you can say, or 20 is we put 20 in age variable, right? And then float. Float is another types of variable. It stores decimal numbers. Okay, so 19.99 is a price, and we put this value into this price variable, right? And then character stores a single character, like character is the I mean a specifier, and then grade. So this grade A is a single character, right? So this single character, we put the single character in the grade variable, right? So these are the data types of C programming language. Okay, integer, float, character. Okay, so these are common data types. And then we can say constants. Okay, so a constant is a value that doesn't change during the program. Okay, so you can define constant in two main ways. You can say define, hashtag define. You can write in the beginning after header file. You can write this one, hashtag define pi 3.14. So this value 3.14 will not change anywhere, right? Throughout the whole program, you're gonna use this value as constant, right? So wherever you use, doesn't matter how many times you use, it will give the same value all the time, right? Define pi 3.14. Okay, using const keyword. Okay, so you can do this, you can write in this way as well, const int year. So this year is an integer value which is constant, right? So wherever you use this value, I mean this year in your program, this will give you the 2024. Okay, so it's written here as well. Once you define a constant, you cannot change its value in the program. Okay. Okay, so now finally we can take a code and see the output of it, right? So what you should do, guys, you should practice them. Okay, so pause the video, try to write on your own. If you're new, you won't be brave enough to write in your own way, right? So you have to imitate things. Okay, so when we started, we also imitated, guys, and till we do. Okay, now once you become confident enough, then maybe you don't need to repeat these things again and again, right? Okay, so int age 20, float price 19.99, character grade A, and then these are the comments, right? These double forward slash, these are the comments, so you don't see the output of them. Okay, so if you run, you see age 20. Okay, so printf age, and we're printing this age, right? So this is the age, this age here, right? So this is a format specifier because we're printing an integer, guys. So this is why we're giving this format specifier %d, right? And this for backward slash n is for the new line. If it was not there, then the price printing the price would be in the same line, right? So I'm going to show you. You see this one, and then you see the price doesn't make a new line. Okay, so if you want to make a new line in here, so you can write this in this way. Okay, so now you get the different line for price variable, right? You see age 20, price 19.99, and the grade of you see price is in the float. Okay, so for printing float, we do this format specifier percentage, then decimal, and then 2f. Yeah, so we're getting 2 digits after the decimal, so we say 19.99. okay, so 9 and 9, 2 digits, so that's why we did 0.2. okay, and then price. So, and the double quotation is for the string. Okay, so this age is this one. Okay, so I hope you understand, but you have to practice. I'm just trying to explain everything really carefully so that you don't miss anything, right? Okay, and then printf the value of pi. So value of pi would be constant always, because we just declared this as constant, right? So we declared as hashtag define, and then pi 3.14. so wherever we use pi, we'll get the value 3.14. so we can't change this value, right? So that's all for the comments, data types, variables, and constant variables, guys. Thank you for watching the video. If you like my videos, please share and subscribe, share with your friends, and help me to grow, guys. This would really be helpful for me and for the community as well. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next.